Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Pre-Hacking Tutorial. So are you planning to upgrade your computer RAM but you don't know what is the maximum capacity and the speed of the RAM that your computer motherboard supports? So watch this video to know how to find out maximum capacity and the speed of the RAM that your computer motherboard supports. So let's begin the tutorial. So first of all, open command prompt Windows by typing cmd in start menu. Go to start menu and in the quick search bar type cmd and click on command prompt to open it. Now type this command to get the details of your computer RAM that is already installed into your motherboard. So the command is get after you have typed this command, press enter. So this will show you the capacity and the speed of the RAM installed in your computer motherboard. So here it's showing 2 RAM, that means I have 2 RAM installed in my computer motherboard, and the speed is 1334. So the capacity is showing in bytes. So if we convert this into gigabytes, then this will become 4 gigabytes. So let me show you by converting it into gigabyte. Go to the Google and type here. So I have this amount of RAM installed in one bank, means in one slot I have 4 GB of the RAM installed, and so I have 2 slot and installed 2 RAM, then the total is 8 GB of RAM already installed in my motherboard. You can also check the amount of RAM installed in your computer motherboard by simply going to properties of your computer. Go to your computer file explorer and right click on here and click on properties, and here this will show you the amount of RAM that is installed in your computer, that is 8 GB, and the system type is 64. So remember, if you want to upgrade more than 4 GB of RAM, you should have installed 64-bit operating systems. If you have 32-bit operating systems, then you can install only 4 GB of RAM. Even your computer motherboard supports 16 GB or 8 GB, then remember it. First check this computer operating system, 32-bit or 64-bit. So now to find out the maximum amount of RAM that is supported by your computer motherboard, so type this command to know the maximum amount of RAM supported by your computer motherboard. So the command is press enter, and this will show you the maximum capacity of the RAM that is supported by your computer motherboard. So this value is showing in kilobyte. So if we convert this in GB, this will become 16 GB. So let me convert this in GB. So this is the maximum amount of RAM that is supported by my laptop motherboard, 16 GB of RAM. And another way by which you can find out the type and the speed of RAM in Windows 10 computer is by opening Task Manager by pressing Ctrl Shift and Escape, and into Performance tab you will have details of the RAM installed in your computer motherboard. So this is how you can find out the maximum capacity and the speed of the RAM that is supported by your computer motherboard. So I hope this video will be useful for you. So I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. And thanks for watching my video.